Hey everybody, it's Rich at RMAutodiag, and today we're having a look at a non-starting Volkswagen Caddy. Right, okay, so I've started looking at this one already. Basically what's happening is when you turn the ignition on, nothing was coming on the dash, looked exactly like this. Nothing happening when you turn to crank it, absolutely nothing there. So what I've done is pop this top bit of cover off, undone the bottom screw for the cover underneath, and there's a couple of behind the steering wheel as well once you got the top cover off, a few Torx bits. Now what I've done is I've removed the module from underneath the ignition barrel here. There's sort of a snap together clip thing there, and then you can just carefully pull it down and disconnect it from these, and then you just got to disconnect this plug at the back, which is the one that connects to the back of the ignition barrel and up to the ring for the key. So what I've done is I've done some continuity checks, can't really see in here, on the red, blue, there's a purple and yellow. Now on cranking I do get continuity through them, you know, turn the key, put it on the crank, and I will get continuity between some of the pins in here, so it seems like the switch is actually working on the back. So I've turned my interests to the circuit board here. Now the pins in question for that plug, which are on the ignition barrel there, is this set down the back here, same pin configuration. Now what I've noticed when I turned it onto the back is we do have a few corroded sort of pieces about the place. And is this ever going to zoom? I don't know. But you can see this is the pin configuration here, and pin, I guess that middle pin, there's 3 in a row, the middle pin there comes over to the other side. Let's see if we can get this in shot, to here, and it comes round to here. Now what I've done is I've checked for continuity along that track, and you can see there just about on this track here there was some corrosion. I scraped it back, and now I get continuity over this side to the middle pin, but over to the other side doesn't have anything there. So I think we've got an issue with the track on the board here. I'll see if I can get a better picture or a better video of what I'm doing here. Right, okay, so we've got a bit of a better setup. So this pin here is the middle pin that I was talking about, and that, if you trace it on the other side of the board, comes through to here, and then it comes down into here. Now you can probably hear on the meter it'll beep. So we've got continuity through there. If I do it here to there, we've got continuity. If I try to come over this side, I have nothing. So I think we've got a damaged bit of track here, so maybe we'll see about scraping back the PCB on this green bit here, maybe soldering in a small piece of jumper wire across it, and then see if we can get this thing back to life. Right, okay, so I've done the repair. So if we go here, hear the continuity on the meter, there. If we can clean and tidy this up in a minute, we could probably put some more green stuff on top of it so it stop it shorting out and anything. So we'll put this back together, and we'll see if we've got ignition lights, and we'll see if the dashboard comes on now. Hopefully it's going to do that, and that'll be the end of the repair. Right, okay, so control unit's put back in place. You can see the repair there. So we got the key in the ignition. We've got ignition back, and we've got it running. So yeah, that was a successful little repair there. Happy with that. As I say, I'll put some green board stuff on that just to stop it shorting out. But yeah, nice little repair, cheap little repair for someone. So thanks for watching, come along for the next one.